Tesla's order of $6 billion worth of electrodes, when estimated based on cathode materials, equates to the volume for installing in 1.3 to 1.4 million electric vehicles. Roughly 70% of Tesla's total production last year, 1.84 million units. An industry insider analyzed, receiving the key material, electrodes, implies Tesla's initiation of battery cell manufacturing, indicating Tesla's battery internalization has begun. Rather than focusing on stock prices, one should examine the underlying business structure. Batteries constitute the largest portion of an electric vehicle's cost. Finally, battery internalization is underway. At Battery Day event, Tesla announced a roadmap to drastically reduce battery manufacturing costs by 56% to significantly lower vehicle prices. Tesla's battery team is steadily achieving structural cost reductions as promised, even without reaching robotaxis or the FSD business. The game seems to be already over. With the Fed's interest rate cuts, coupled with the rebound in demand for high-end consumer goods like automobiles and decreasing discount rates for high PE stocks, an astounding rise is expected. It's almost here. Ladies and gentlemen, be patient a little bit more.